Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you the new app you can download in your PCs, laptops. This is called AnyDesk. Okay, I will show you how it work on your laptops. Okay, this is the AnyDesk. You could download it from the Google Chrome. Simply you just go to the Google Chrome and come here, type AnyDesk. Okay, AnyDesk download. Just download the first one. Click here. Okay, then you have to choose your system. If you are using Windows, or using Mac, or using Android or iOS or Linux, which one you are using, you should select your version. Okay, you should choose your platform, your system, then click here to download this. Download now. Okay, when it will be downloaded, it will come towards your uh, downloads. Okay, then you have to simply just click here on the AnyDesk and install it. When it will be installed in your system, here will be your address. This address you have to put in the other AnyDesk systems to control the other systems or to give access to other systems. Okay, this one shows that it's already been connected to the other system. For transferring files, you can transfer different files, you can control okay. I just want to close this one, so nobody can access into my system. Okay, if you want to continue new session, you just click here and it will lead toward the new session. Okay, if you want to access the other laptops, other system, you just put here the other address, like I will show you. Okay, this type addresses will lead toward the other system. Okay, it's tell us that client offline, this desk is not available. Please make sure that AnyDesk is running on the remote device and it is connected to the internet. Okay, it tells us that
और प्रमोशनल व्यूज लगाए ना मुझे
okay guys,
पैसे भर के व्यूज लगाए
I was telling you about
आदमी नहीं होगा पैसे भर के लो
the method how to connect. You just have to put the address of other system PCs here, like these numbers. Okay, then click here. It will lead towards the system. Okay, it shows that there is no server available right now. Okay, you just have to cancel it. Okay, this is the whole procedure to connect with the AnyDesk. Guys, it was our today video. In which this is also accessible to your Android phone. You can also have access if you have an Android phone. If you want to check anything in your system, you can control it with your smartphones. Okay, you can set passwords, you can save the videos, you can record things. Okay, here are the settings. Okay, display settings, privacy settings, audio, file transfer. If you want to transfer files, you should click here. Okay, just haven't any connected system, so it shows that there is nothing. Okay, so guys, it was our today video. I hope you will really like it.